Okay, just turned the lights off just so we can see a little bit better here. Let's start off with our poblanos, looking alright there, and the padrones, our sugar rush peach stripies going along the back there. We've then got our Armageddons, they're coming along good. Sorry, there's a large orange tie, Scotch bonnet MOA, our Carolina Reapers here. There's the other Armageddon. I've got some Kashmiri merch. They are growing out of control. So far, those have been the most productive and best growing chilies. I mean, look at them. They are literally outgrowing the pots now. I've got my Tabascos at the back. We've got the ghost peppers next to them, these three. We got the Zebrangi, I don't know what it's called. We've got black jalapenos. Here are the habaneros at the back, just those two little ones. And let's go down the dream catchers. These lovely purple plants. Got the cayennes at the back there. We got some Scotch bonnet MOA. So far, so good. I think that one's had its chips as of that one, but we'll see. Either way, thank you all so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Have a wonderful Wednesday. You take care of yourself. Look after me, myself and I, because nobody's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, have a great day, and we will see you all tomorrow.